how to use a crafter in Minecraft. So here, just place the crafter. So this is the face, so that's basically where the crafts will go through. So that's where it will go out. Now just right click on it, and as you can see right here, we now just put our planks and it will make a door right there. You could also disable a slot just by left clicking on it. So as you can see, we have our door right here. We're just gonna fill all of these up to make our door. Once that's done, you simply need to get the button. So I have mine right here. It can be any button you want. Just place it beside it, and when we click on it, as you can see, it will pop up or craft the thing that is inside of it. If you want to make this more efficient, you could just simply add the hopper on top of it to automatically refill. So just put the hopper on top, click on shift, then right click on top. Now put your chest and put it on top of the hopper. Shift, then right click on it. Now you just need to put the materials on the chest. I'll put all of the oak plank so that it will just basically refill the crafter. As you can see, it's just refilling it right there. So when we access the button, as you can see, it will just pop up. But if you want to make this automatic, you simply need to destroy the oak button and just make a circuit out of redstone repeater right here. So go on and circle right here and make a circuit right there. Now put some redstone dust, and we're gonna activate it by putting a redstone torch beside it and just simply removing the redstone torch. Now what we need to do is just simply destroy this redstone dust and replace it fast, so it will become like this. So here I just moved the circuit a little since it was pretty too close. So I just move it so that I could connect it to the crafter, and I'm just gonna put the oak log so we can make some planks right here. And when I connect it right now, as you can see, it will be automatic. That's how I basically use crafter in Minecraft.